some more momentum. Ducks down, misdirection. Big time Pounce.
Period. Sierra into the ropes, but Pounce! Oh, Willow changed position. Sierra never
stand there and let her hit me like that. I'd poke her in the eye.
Pounce!
Period.
This was exactly where Willow was 2 months ago. Pounce!
Period. That's the right. Sends her into the ropes. Crisscross! Pounce! Pounce!
Shoots Effie into the ropes.
What a Pounce!
Frost, who probably is a gold medal.
Pounce! Period! Frost went.
Yo-yo now back in. Oh,
Pounce times 2!
Period!
Yo! Off the ropes. Direction into the Pounce!
she's got power.
Off the ropes.
Oh, wow.
There is the Pounce!
I heard that all the way over here. Little...
Oh! Clear across!
Rolling.
Yeah. Rolling out there.
That's a Pounce.
Wrestling by the Shooker, you can tell why they're a successful team.
There is the Pounce!
Period! District instead now.
There's
See
the Pounce!
And this could be
You said it. But Willow had it scattered. Oh no!
Pounce from Pounce, DVD, modified DVD, the Babe Breakers.
Nobody home. Mercedes Martinez. Pounce! Period! From Willow.
Thinks that she can take anything.
Oh, watch this. Where's the Pounce?
Uh-oh. I wouldn't like those eyes.
Pounce! Period. That cartwheel
Push it
joy,
forward.
I love it.
Pounce!
Bryce lands on his feet. Here it comes with the Pounce!
Period!
Bryce goes.
The Queen Bee. The train leaving the station.
Since she got rocked with that counter, she's
What a Pounce!
the roll through. Willow goes behind and just pounces.
Pounce! Period!
With the underhanded tactics again, but Willow's not happy. Oh, Pounce! To the side. Pounce!
She looks appropriate that though.
Oh, goodness!
And she took the book right back and took it.
Off the ropes. There is the Pounce!
Off the rope.
Hold on a second.